Hello, Adorians. This is Romel, welcoming you to another episode of The Inside Story. Today, I have with me Mr. Kishor Kokate, Head Manufacturing, Ador Welding Limited. Welcome, Mr. Kokate, to this podcast. So, Mr. Kokate, how would you introduce your own self?
Hi, Romel. I look after manufacturing activities of equipment plant at Chinswad, Pune and welding consumables plant at Silvassa and Raipur.
So, how does the day of a manufacturing head begin?
Actually, Romel, my day begins with review of daily production reports, order booking status at all plants, and also review of delivery commitments which we have offered to our sales teams, customers, and distributors. Then I meet my key team members, visit the shop floor, and also have our daily PPC meeting.
So, you have been a part of this industry for ages now. So, what has fundamentally changed about our industry since you started working in it?
Over the years, several notable changes have taken place in welding industry. It has witnessed significant growth and modernization. This has resulted in increased investments in infrastructure and manufacturing. Moreover, there has been a greater focus on quality standards, health and safety regulations, and adoption of advanced welding technologies.
There are days where everything goes wrong. How are such situations dealt with?
During challenging situations, immediate actions are necessary. The manufacturing team identifies the root causes, troubleshoots the issues, and collaborates to find solutions. It may involve reallocating resources, adjusting production schedules, seeking technical expertise, or implementing corrective measures to minimize downtime and ensure product quality.
Environment conservation is a pressing concern. What are some positive steps taken by Ador to reduce the carbon footprint and contribute towards environment, social, and governance concerns?
During recent years, ESG has become a key focus area at Ador. Various initiatives such as installation of solar panels at consumable plants, switching to eco-friendly honeycomb and corrugated packaging material, and eliminating of wooden packing at equipment plants are few examples. In our annual quality plan, specific targets have been taken to reduce plastic usage, water and energy consumption. Last year, there has been a substantial reduction in water consumption at our consumable plants, ranging from 18 to 50%. At equipment plant, there is a reduction of approximately 20% in energy consumption per machine.
So, what do you see as the future of Ador in the next 5 or 10 years?
In next 5 to 10 years, Ador will witness substantial growth and innovation. With increased investments in infrastructure and manufacturing, advancement in welding technologies, and focus on sustainability, Ador is poised for expansion, improved efficiency, and greater adoption of environment-friendly practices.
And last but not the least, why does your profession make you happy at the end of the day?
Satisfaction comes from overseeing the creation of tangible products that serve various industries, contributing to success of manufacturing processes, ensuring quality standards, meeting customer expectations, and witnessing the end result bring a sense of fulfillment and pride at the end of the day.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Kokate. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'm sure our listeners will enjoy this and learn from your experience. This will further help us in creating the best welding experience.
Thank you very much, Romel.